Dante, you ready for your campground tour? Okay. Here's the gate. You'll notice you have to get a key card or they can buzz you in. If they do lock it, it stays locked. You walk. There's the dump station, and they have propane. To your left is where we're staying, not in the $1 million motorhomes behind them. These are the pull-through sites.
The pull-through sites, they're pretty spacious. Sometimes pull-through sites can be really small.
Come on, Dante. One thing you'll notice is the post sticking up where the concrete is, which on our site was really annoying with the way our slides are. Had to move the camper a couple times because we couldn't open the door. Activity field. Nice basketball goals down there.
And to your right is the sitting meadow.
In case you wanted to sit in the meadow.
Over there on the left, that white building is the laundry and bathrooms.
So they have two laundries. The building was locked because it's November, Thanksgiving weekend, and they have a lot of the place winterized already and turned off.
They also have a large number of permanent sites.
Yep. So, most of these look to be set up permanently. You'll see there's some with buildings attached and shelters and stuff. They're also back in. What do you think, Dante?
What's your opinion, Dante? What do you have to say?
You heard it there, folks. He's speechless. One downside, the roads are not very smooth. Once you turn off 460 and start downhill. Go down by the lake. It's all downhill from here. lake life. So when I checked in, I asked about the lake, and they said that they had drained it because they needed to do some work on the piers and some of the docks. So they have to let it get a little bit lower before they can do what they need to do. And hopefully they have it back up by, spring, summer. Let's admit it, it's 40 degrees. Nobody wants to go swimming in November anyway, so it's the perfect time to do so. You notice I have lots of covered picnic shelters, so you can spend a day at the lake and have places to fix lunch, snacks, etc. Whatever. Oh, Dante found something interesting. Back there behind it is the registration office. They have a little store in there, look like a grill. I know what Dante found there. When you get back to the paved road.
Good boy, Dante. You show the people around.
They also have little dog waste stations around the park. Not sure what that is. It looks like kayak storage.
Looks like kayaks. Those look like pool chairs.
More picnic
But
tables.
got wagons for hay rides.
Yep. Stop! Don't shoot! I'm friendly. It'd be cool if they shot the cannons, but I doubt it. Registration area again, camp store, office.
And there's the pool. It's obviously closed for the winter.
Oh,
And no cross between pool and lake.
we wouldn't
That's
want
fair.
to bring the fish. Come on, Stinsolite. Let's go see the pool. And there's the pool, all covered for winter. And there's lots of sniffs. Lots of things to sniff. Sounds
Sounds like the dumpster's being empty.
Yep. Apparently trash day is Friday. Or it could be that yesterday was Thanksgiving, so maybe they're running behind. We got a playground.
It looks straight out of the 80s.
I don't know. I think the duck might be older.
It's possible.
Watch out for the children at play. They're invisible. got us a Lincoln log cabin. Some more picnic shelters.
Now have a little stage area, a pavilion.
A few more campsites over here.
These are all back in. They look like there might be some time in it.
I am kind of interested in these blow-up RV skirts, or air skirts. Looks like they'd be nice and portable. Try to keep the camper warm in the winter.
There's another laundry facility.
Laundry number 2. Oh, I'm still new. It's got the 3-year warranty sticker on it. Other side of the big field. And just because every campground needs a haunted house or a barn or something, give some style. So overall, it's not a bad place. Be kind of interesting.
For a few days.
Yeah, be interested to see it in the summer when the lake's back full and everything's open. But to come spend Thanksgiving in Lynchburg, it is the closest campground. I think they said it's 9 miles to the city limits of Lynchburg. 30 minutes to Forest. If anybody knows where that is. And hopefully the buzzard circling don't mean bad things for the campground.